Okay, ឥឡូវនេះ Franklin ចាប់ផ្ដើម Michael ចាដែរ Franklin you gotta shape up on your shooting put some time in the range if you can okay អញ្ចឹងMichael គាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមឲ្យ Franklin នេះរៀនបាញ់កាភ្លើងបាញ់អីពីព្រោះ Franklin ហ្នឹងគ្នាមិនសូវមានចំណេះជំនាញរឿងបាញ់អីហ្នឹងទេគ្នាក្មេងល្អគាត់ណាគ្នាដើរផ្លូវខុសដល់ពេលអញ្ចឹងទៅឥឡូវហ្នឹងពូ Michael ចាប់ផ្ដើមឲ្យគាត់គេថាសម្រួចគេហៅគេជំនាញហ្នឹងហើយពីព្រោះមើលទៅក្មេងហ្នឹងមុជកាន់តែជ្រៅទៅហើយតោះឥឡូវចូលមកនេះសិគេអូអានេះ character online ខ្ញុំមានតែ character ទេតែមិនដែរលេងទេអត់មានគ្នាតោះ
Nope. My dick might fall off.
shit ពូម៉ៃខំខូចដែរចាំមកពុនជេអូខេឥឡូវយើងអានេះដូចជាមែន Lester ទេអានេះដូចជាការងាររបស់គាត់ទេ I'm trying to I'm gonna kind of be ready shop spend your life shoot time moment retirement with your family okay Lester គាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមគាត់តែដូចថាគាត់រកអាទីតាំងដូចថាអីដែលយើងត្រូវ plan នេះគាត់រៀបចំចិត្តហើយអញ្ចឹងគាត់ឲ្យយើងចំណាយពេលជាមួយឲ្យពូ Michael ហ្នឹងចំណាយពេលជាមួយគ្រួសាររបស់គាត់គេឡូបើសិនជានឹងមានអីឆ្លោះធ្លោយទៅគេឡូមិនបានមកវិញអញ្ចឹងតែនេះអត់អីទេដល់តែអត់ឆ្លោះធ្លោយទេព្រោះអីវគ្គហ្នឹងវាមិនត្រូវឆ្លោះធ្លោយតែអីដែលខ្ញុំរំពឹងទៅលើ GTA 6ខ្ញុំចង់បានឃើញឡានលយស្អាតប៉ុន្តែតាមមើលនេះថាឃើញដូចជាមាន Ford Raptor ទៀតប៉ុន្តែនៅហ្នឹងគេអត់ប្រើ brand ចប់ទេគេខ្លែងអញ្ចឹងណាតែ you know it's Ford Raptor តោះចាប់បើតរយើងដល់វគ្គគិតរឿងនេះវិញហ៎ Daddy little girl យ៉ា Mission គេឈ្មោះ Daddy little girlអូមួយJimmy នេះវាចង់បែកឆ្វេងអានេះ
Jimmy! God damn it. The fuck you doing? Nothing. Really? Because I keep hearing a hermaphrodite this, a cock that.
Go away.
What?
Go watch your linear entertainment. Go watch porn. Just go away.
Shit.
Who? Tết.
What the fuck?
Slớ vậy?
Little asshole.
I can't believe you did that. That's my TV.
You don't talk to me like that.
I can't believe you. Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Oh.
Yeah, well, why don't you do something then? Besides just stand there. Why don't you hit?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah. No. I just want you to do something. Besides, sit there eating.
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
ពេលប្រាសាយពេលអីយើងបិទម៉ៃទៅណាកុំឲ្យឆ្លងកុំឲ្យឆ្លងអ្នកមើលណាអ្នកមើលបើថានេះទេអាចបិទពាក់ម៉ាស់ពាក់អីផងគេលោឆ្លងប្រាសាយអញ្ចឹងមើលថែសុខភាពទាំងអស់គ្នាដោយសារមេឃត្រជាក់មេឃអីចឹងទៅអញ្ចឹងយើងគេលោប្រាសាយដែរអញ្ចឹង
I'm sorry. Just wish we could do things together.
កុំប្រកាស monitor ខ្ញុំនៅលើនេះ monitor ដើម្បីមើលនៅលើនេះហេនេះ
Go for walks.
តុកខ្ញុំទូចពេកដល់ពេលតុកទូចពេកទៅក៏អត់ហ៊ានដាក់ចំហៀចេះដែរបើដាក់ចំហៀឆ្វេងស្ដាំចេះវាអត់មាន
You want to
space
go on a fucking bike ride? Fine. Let's go on a fucking bike ride.
ឃើញទេកំហឹងមានកំហល់ធ្វើឲ្យអីគេកំហឹងទៅកំហល់នៅមិនខ្ទេចទូទាស់មួយលេអីយ៉ា
This day was going so well until you showed up. You know that?
មែនថ្ងៃមុននេះសោះហ្នឹងគេនេះ
You're lucky to even be allowed out of the house after that boat stunt.
What's the big deal? I'm going gray listening to this crap. Station change. Oh, hell
ឥឡូវ
yeah.
គេទៅគេហៅគេ spend time គេ father son father and son day អីយ៉ាមើលសិនគេលោមានឡានលយយើង
When yours are so unbelievably fuck-faced.
Don't push me.
Serious Seriously, some guys borrow your boat.
Borrow? You were hiding in the head crying kidnapped.
They just took receipt of your property with payment pending.
Nice try.
Giờ tới support chương trình giờ vậy.
Borrow? You
Cái
were
tức
hiding
là
in the
bộ
head
ní
crying kidnapped.
on đấy nếu quay được mà. Tên support đi chỉ rồi bro.
If it was anything other than what you told me, then that's on you.
All right, they fucking stole it. And who knows what they would have done if they found me. But I
Trời.
didn't expect or want them to get killed.
You think I'm gonna let some guys
Là
run
bà
off
kìa.
my son?
Look, I knew you were a
Vô
bad
vô đi
guy,
mình.
but
Vô Bugatti Chiron mình.
Or a bad guy?
God
ប៉ុន្តែអត់យល់
help
ខាងខាងហ្នឹងពេញបានអា Chiron ហ្នឹងវាអត់ធ្វើបើកកន្ទុយ
You're the good guy. You're driving like a psychopath, Michael. Do you realize that?
គាត់នេះហៅ ឪវាឈ្មោះ Michael អញ្ចឹងបើថាកូននៅយើងនេះវិញហៅឈ្មោះឪវាអញ្ចឹងអី
I
ផ្ទះ
think
ប្រាប់
we'll
ពោះ
both be happier if we can spend as little time in this vehicle as possible.
God, you think I've got learning difficulties, huh? Take a good long look. Take a good long look in the mirror, pal. I'm not the one who doesn't respect my fellow
អ
human
ញធ្វើ
being.
មែន
No, not unless they're a spick or a juke boy or an
Oh,
ass
shit.
punching
អូ
homo.
ហ្វក់
There was me thinking there's a difference
ច្រឡំ
between witty banter
ច្រឡំ
and
ទៅ
right-
ទៀតហ្នឹង
Shit. From a sense of competition.
អី
Really?
ម៉ានថ្ងៃមុននេះឃើញអីគេ Neil Armstrong ហ៎ដែលគាត់ជាអ្នក reveal ឡាណោះ
Jim.
គាត់មិនហ្វិចអីគេ Chiron របស់អាប៉ែមួយ Alex នោះហ៎ដែលខ្ទេចហ៎
You had problems
Ma.
relating to people.
Here we are.
អីគេ airbag អីហ្នឹងបោះនេះហ៎បោះAudi S4 A4 S3 អីមក like what អរេសង្ស័យ Bugatti នេះ
Help! Did anyone else see that?
Damn it.
បាទពេលដែលធាក់កលអញ្ចឹងទៅនឹកឃើញអតីតកាលខ្លួនឯងពេលនៅរៀនណាអូអ្នកជីកង់ឲ្យសុតបាទលេងសើចជីទៅណែតជីទៅអីចឹងណាជីមីគីឡូស្អីក្មេងតែមិនកើតហ្មងថ្ងៃមុនមកធ្វើអេងស្អីណាអូអាឈីរ៉នហ្នឹងនេះបាត់ហើយបាត់ហើយអញ្ចឹងហ៎ពើមែន
Come on now.
អញក៏ពើមែនចុយសេកេហ្នឹងឲ្យ change driver ឥឡូវនេះយើងទៅជួបកូនរបស់Michael មួយទៀតបាទពងតបែកកាវមែនតើជួយដេកផ្ទះទៀតអញ្ញាដេកផ្ទះដូចជារឿងមួយដែលមិននេះសោះឥឡូវមើលឲ្យហើយណែណាកូនដែលមិនស្ដាប់បង្គាប់ពុកម្ដាយឃើញហ៎បែកស្លយចុយនេះពូម៉ា
Plus, we're take you out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude.
ឯងស្អីហ៎
Here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
What? Your house?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer pad, Mr.
អូ
Let's go.
Those
អានេះប្តីអត់នៅផ្ទះយកផ្ទះជួលឲ្យគេយកលុយឯណាអូជួយអូខ្លាចមួយ
Like them. You're
អូ
such
នេះ
a
អត់ស្គាល់កន្លោអត់ស្គាល់សេរីចាស់ហើយ
Dad, you dumbass. These guys are serious.
Yeah, well, so am I.
អត់ស្គាល់សេរីចាស់ហើយ
Oh, motherfuckers!
Hmm.
Get on now. I'm about to skin you alive. God damn it!
God, shit. They're shooting at us.
តោះឥឡូវយើងចាប់ដើមរត់កិច្ចពី
We'll lose them down here.
ពួកក្រុមនេះ
Who the fuck are these people?
បានទេ
No. TV people, celebs, serious
ហើយកូនរបស់ Michael រាប់អានតែពួកមនុស្សអញ្ចឹង
TV people and
Vậy
drug
mà.
dealers start hanging out.
Come on, Dad.
មានលុយមានអីប៉ុណ្ណឹងដែរដូចពិបាកដល់ណាអីយ៉ា
Just go, okay? Go.
Come on, let us go.
Now, Mom.
bạn tầm
Did
mòn
you
đó
just kill him?
chồng tích kìa rồi dương
They're both dead. I can't believe this.
chồng tích
Just
trà nhỉ
calm down. I did what I had to do.
tích trà
Let
nhỉ
me take you back to your brother.
I could rupture an implant. I'm an accessory to murder.
anh
An
đang
accessory to
đang bên như
self-defense.
bên thì
Have I like got to be a witness that capped them and I'm
là
the
đi
one
khăn
child?
tha nâng nè
And we
quẹt
wouldn't
bắt
be
bong
in
mà
this
tập
mess
thiệt bắt bong
if you
ấy
hadn't
nè
hung
ồ
out
pu
with
mạ bay
some
bay nhớ
creepy-ass
nè
porno people
đập cọp
and
bụng đáy từ
the
khó thế nào không nè cầm
You
tam
didn't.
câu bó
No, I
pu
did
mai
blow
thôi
until I told you I did blow. So this
Chuộc
should
nè,
be like
bà
an
phu mới
increase
nè.
in trust and honesty thing. And porno dudes
Chuộc
are
nè,
like the
tăng tỷ
best
lệ lương
dudes
tố
I
tất
could
cả.
be with.
porno dudes? Really?
Tao.
Yeah, they actually respect women and treat us right. It's Los Santos, Dad. What do you expect when we moved here?
Enough.
Bây giờ
This conversation.
ừ không không chồng con ắt lẹ bị lơ nè
Keep hiding your head in the clouds. The 50s are over. Even the 80s are over.
nè nơi mai biến thử pot ấy nơi khải thử pot bắt ấy tranh nào chân chân ấy nè
There he is. Give me you, David.
cặp cha anh món này
You
đã nè cho tè tè
asshole.
He's the
Oh.
fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV and he took me to the beach. The beach with my skin.
So what? You sent him out to spoil my date too?
I didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just
thua ra bộ
crazy
bộ
look in his eyes,
câu
you
anh
know,
kia
like
nó
sometimes
chua
he
lẹ
just
I'm
ơi
getting out.
coming with you.
How about I just drive us home?
You ruined my life.
សើរូន my life ទៀតអើយ Michael ពូ Michael ចង់ឲ្យកូនល្អthôiហ្នឹងកូនថាឪហ្នឹងអីណាធ្វើឲ្យជីវិតគ្នានឹងធ្លាក់ដុនដាវឯណាជាមានណាតោះ Daddy Little Girl ជក់មួយស្មុកពេកហើយមិនយល់សោះស្រឡាញ់កូនប៉ុណ្្នឹងដែរកូនថាយើងរូន like របស់វាហើយ